Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring in something a little different. And this is a PWR plug. What it is pretty much for desks or anything that you want to set up, so you can run power, Ethernet, and even HDMI. We're gonna open it up here, and we are gonna set it up today. But first, let's take a look at it on the inside, see what you get when you purchase something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, well, let's open it up. Right now you get this flat base. I'm gonna check it out if you guys see it. So 2 power, all right, you get to split 2 power, and then you get to have 2 USBs, but these are not for transferring or data or anything. This is for charging. It's pretty much charging. Ethernet, category 5. You get the HDMI connection here. Now let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see exactly what you get. They do give you the HDMI cable, not that long, so if you guys notice, it's really short. Not gonna need that one right now. We'll put the box inside. If you guys can see the box right now, it's made by 1/8, so 1/8, 3 inches and 1/8. All right. The length of actually cutting the circular hole for it. What you get in the back, this is the Ethernet cable, and right now there's no other connection in here. It's just one Ethernet cable, ready to go. Maybe 3 to 7 feet long cable that they give you, and then they do give you a power supply, the power cord. This is actually where you're gonna plug it in to split the power. Now in back of it, if you guys see it here, and I put the model number too, right? Let me get the model number. The model number on this model, the particular model, is DC-8589. Now on this one right here, there's no way I could go in there and replace this. I wish I could just punch in my own instead of having this whole thing, this whole setup, because I already ran cable. And now I just need to do is punch it in there and set it up. So I'm going to see if I can take it apart. And by doing that, I might void the warranty, of course. They do give you a connection for HDMI. If you guys see it, the HDMI connection goes in here. Nothing else fancy. I mean, it's pretty much you plug it in and it transfers out here. And wherever you have it in front of your desk. Now this circular thing is to lock it in, all right? So I would take this off probably and maybe measure the hole that you're gonna cut, and then what you want to do is place this in either the wood or drywall. I'm gonna do it in the drywall, you know, and then just lock it in place, you know. Once it locks in place, it shouldn't be able to move, so you should be okay after it locks in, you know. But flat surface, I like it. 2 plugs in here, 2 plugs for actually charging stations, HDMI, and then Ethernet, like I said. So I'm gonna see if I can open it up and take it apart and see if I could do my own punch down in here. I'm hoping that I can, but as I see right now, it might not be possible. So we're gonna see if we can plug these in and come back, and if not, I'm gonna have to put a coupling in here and maybe continue the link. It's gonna kill a little bit of the strength on the connection, but I'm okay with that, and we'll see what we're gonna get out of it. So let's take a look. Let's take a look, see how it works. All right, so we'll come back right now. All right, so if you can see, I had to push it in through the drywall. A little crack here and there, but it's tied in enough. I twisted it where all the cables are in. If you guys can see, I have an HDMI. Let me put my camera over this cable. HDMI, Cat 5, and another connection. So it's all going through the same connection now. Now I could power USBs if I want to. If I want to charge my Vibe controllers, you can do it from there. So far, I put a table right underneath it. It's been great. The cable management, I gotta clean it up. I started to already. If you can see it, goes all there to the bottom. So I have all my stuff ready, and it looks great from the top, from the bottom actually, because it's real good. It's coming out really handy now that I put this in there. My kids charge their computers from the top. There's no cables around us. It's been great, especially now that we're quarantined. Neat product, like it overall. you guys have any questions or any comments, it's made for wood, but we're using it for drywall today. So, all right, guys, this is it right here. It's on my ceiling of my garage. Honestly, has been the best thing I ever done in here, because what I do is I plug in the cables and they drop straight down to the middle of a table. There's no cables around me. I know it's not supposed to be in drywall, but I'm using it for this reason. Now the HDMI has helped me out too. If I want to stream different locations, I could just connect there for directly to my Elgato card. Internet access, I had instant internet access. They want to share a switch in the middle of the area. There's no cable extraction around it. It's completely cable free. In case I want to charge people, I don't have a long enough USB chargers to USB cables to charge. I would have to get an extended USB in case I want to do that, but I'm utilizing the power, the internet, and the HDMI. Now, being in the ceiling, HDMI, you need to tape it up once in a while because it is a little flimsy and it falls off. But overall, it's been working well. I like it. And if you guys enjoy this, make sure you guys subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.